Most homeowners don't realize how much money they're losing every year on small home repairs. From dripping faucets to cracked tiles, these little issues add up quickly. And the truth is, most of them can be fixed with just a bit of knowledge and confidence. Learning home repair isn't just about fixing things. It's about financial freedom, empowerment, and peace of mind. Let's start with the numbers. The average homeowner spends between 1% and 4% of their home's value on maintenance every year. For a $300,000 home, that's up to $12,000 annually. Now imagine being able to do half of that work yourself. That's thousands of dollars saved, money you can invest, travel with, or use for upgrades that truly matter. When you understand how your home works, you also avoid overpaying contractors. You can spot inflated quotes, know when a job is simple, and communicate more confidently with professionals. No more paying $200 for a 5-minute repair. No more being taken advantage of because you don't know what's behind your walls or under your sink. But the real payoff? Control. When something breaks, you don't have to panic or wait days for help. You grab your tools and handle it. That feeling of self-reliance is worth every bit of effort. Fixing a leak, patching drywall, or replacing a light switch might seem small, but it builds lasting confidence. You become the person who can take care of your space, and that's powerful. Learning home repair also helps you catch problems early. You'll recognize when a strange sound in the wall could mean a loose pipe, or when a small water stain might be the start of something serious. Early detection saves huge repair costs down the road. Think of it as preventive health care for your home. And here's another hidden benefit. Every repair you do yourself increases your property value. When buyers or renters see a well-maintained home, they know it's cared for. A tight faucet, smooth door hinges, and freshly patched walls send a message. This home is in good hands. The more you fix, the more your home appreciates. You'll also gain practical life skills that pay off forever. These aren't one-time lessons. Once you learn to use a wrench or troubleshoot an electrical outlet, you have that ability for life. It's like giving yourself a permanent raise. The more you learn, the more you save, year after year. Beyond the money, there's a real emotional satisfaction in doing it yourself. The pride that comes from fixing something broken is unmatched. It's the same feeling that keeps DIYers hooked. It's rewarding, creative, and deeply personal. You're not just saving money, you're shaping your environment with your own hands. And you don't need to be a pro, you just need to start. Every expert began as a beginner. The key is to learn the basics safely. How to shut off your water, how to turn off electricity before a repair, and how to use tools properly. With that foundation, you can take on almost anything your home throws at you. The best part? You can learn at your own pace, watch tutorials, take guided courses, and practice small projects. Over time, you'll go from nervous to natural. One day, fixing a faucet will take 10 minutes instead of 2 hours. That's growth, and it feels amazing. So next time you face a leaky pipe or a broken tile, don't reach for your wallet. Reach for your toolkit. Each repair you complete is money back in your pocket and confidence added to your life. Learning home repair isn't just about saving money, it's about gaining control, independence, and pride in your home. The skills you build today will reward you for a lifetime. Start small, stay safe, and enjoy the process. Because when you take care of your home takes care of you.